Good morning, beautiful people. Alright, AJ says hi. I'm gonna bring the camera over there in a minute. Let me get my... He said he's gonna go to the pool. I'm going to run... I'm gonna run to the post office, and when I get home... The community is having like a pool party. So we're gonna go to that with the kids. But... It doesn't start yet. It doesn't start till noon.
Mom!
The whole house is asleep and he's like yelling. Alright. I have my super green goalies and my apple cider goalies. And if you want your 10% off, click the link to the video. There's a link in the description. You can get goalie at 10% off. Use my name at checkout with one S. Multi goalies. These are on the website as well. Calm, because I'm super stressed out lately, so I've been taking it. 2 in the morning, 2 at night. He's totally sitting on the counter. Now I have my Organics Nature, my sea moss, and my fat burner. Can't live without these two things anymore. If you want these, I highly recommend the fat burner and any form of sea moss you like. I take these Irish ones. I can't do the actual sea moss. The gummies I like a lot. And now I'm trying the capsules. The capsules are great too. Full of benefits. So I'm gonna take these. If you want your Organics Nature sea moss, click the description and then click the link. It says link tree. I have a link on there to get the sea moss from Organics Nature. They're my favorite so far. I've tried a couple different sea mosses, and so far it's my favorite. I cut my thumb yesterday in like the worst spot when I was making my tea kits to mail out. Our energy kits and ours. If y'all want some energy, order your tickets. They're in the description link as well. Everything I do is in that link, so if you ever want anything, even like the stuff that I have, like these, all of my kitchen gadgets and stuff, guess another store. I go to the store every day. Anyways, all the stuff I have in my house, and stuff I have for my kids, and stuff I have for my business, I have it all in my link tree under my Amazon storefront. Like even stuff I use for recipes are on there in the recipe add-on folder. So I try to share everything that I have and do and love, because I mean, when you have an audience, you just want that, right? You want the best for everybody. So I share everything all the time. I'm gonna add ice to this and use this cup because I'm taking it with me to the post office. Melissa,
Anna.
you're so adorable. Here we are at the post office with more tea kits, and we got some huge tea kits in here today. They're big. I love that the post office is right next to the Oriental Market. They're so gangster. This is the good kind of ramen. My daughter still has her friend over, and they asked for some butter bread, so they want butter buns. Love the Oriental store. Look at these cute ones. How cute. Cooking for all the kids. Got one chicken and one pork. What it looks like when it's done. That one's chicken. That one's pork.
You can sit next to me then.
She said, yep.
Okay.
Background. We're Spanish people. We're Chiqui Bubble. So let's shop. It's the get it.
It's 11 o'clock. We had a long, crazy day, and I'm itchy and burnt. Look at this. What?
I didn't kill
Do you guys see that? Look how red I am. Oh my gosh. Being at the pool. Who did that? Who put that empty thing in there? That was you?
No. You open this chocolate.
She's taking a melatonin tonight because it's 11 o'clock and she is wide awake.
Can you open this child-proof thing for me, please? And I get my apple
Why is there a
juice.
fork in here?
It's because I was gonna stab it.
I've inspired her with my videos. Alright, 2 super greens.
Gimme.
And 2 apple ciders.
Gimme.
And if you guys want to order Goli at 10% off, go to the description of this video and click 10% off Goli inside my link tree. It's just my name at checkout, so if you shop on Goli.com, you'll get 10% off if you do that.
It's a popsicle.
My nose is burnt. Look how red it is. Look like little girls from Whoville on The Grinch. Birkin looks so beautiful. She's tan. She's like golden brown. And then there's me. Wow.
I'm done.
That's literally insane. I didn't notice it was that bad. Just one of those.
What?
Just one. She's gonna be mad when these vlogs are over. She loves to help. This is multi.
Are your vlogs gonna be over when I get bigger?
They're gonna be over in a couple of days, baby. You can help me in my recipe videos. I need 2 of these.
Huh?
I need 2 of them.
There's a lot in here.
Oh, I just opened it. It's brand new.
They look like chocolates.
Thank you. I really should make a shake right now, but I don't have any more instant coffee, you know? I mean, I like it without instant coffee, but I want the coffee. But I'll have coffee delivered first thing in the morning, so I can have my morning shake. So, that's that for tonight, and we will see you on the next video.
Wait.
This ball is like wild right now.
See you in the next video.
See you on the next video.
See you in the next video. Bye-bye. Yeah.